Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick video on how to replace the battery of your key fob for a 2021 Subaru Forester. And this will probably work for any newer Subaru. So the first thing you want to do is there's a silver button on the back. If you have big clumsy fingers and it's hard to get to, you can just use a screwdriver. Or not. Once you pull that in, push that in, you get the key. You can pull the key out. Some people say for this next part you can actually use the key, and I've found that you can, but I actually think a screwdriver is easier. Just going to insert the screwdriver here and do a little twist. Don't push too hard. You can see that it pops off or pops open. And you can slowly remove the casing, and there is your battery. You're going to need a 2032 or CR2032. Should be pretty easy just to pop the battery out using the same screwdriver. Should be pretty easy just to insert the new battery back in, face down, or not face down, the numbered side goes up. Just snaps right in. Oh my God. And just snaps right back into place. And just put the key back in. And you're done.